Think foldable phones are out of your budget? Think again. In this video, we're uncovering the best budget-friendly foldable phones that blend innovation, sleek design, and affordability. From vibrant displays to powerful performance, these devices prove you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy cutting-edge tech. Whether you're upgrading or diving into foldables for the first time, we've got options that fit your lifestyle and wallet. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily product insights. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 features two brilliant displays, a 7.6-inch inner screen and a 6.3-inch external one. Its combination of a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and 12 GB of RAM means it can take on any task, while multitasking software tweaks, including the desktop-like DeX mode, make the device a productivity powerhouse. It costs a lot of money, but Samsung justifies the cost with lots of features: S Pen stylus support and the latest 5G and Wi-Fi radios. If you are looking for a device to replace your phone, tablet, and maybe even your laptop, the Z Fold 6 is built for you. Level up your screen and level up your gaming experience. Totally immerse yourself with Galaxy Z Fold 6 thanks to a huge screen, a lightning-fast processor, and incredibly realistic graphics. Number 2. Motorola Razr Plus. The Motorola Razr Plus makes the most of its generous external 4-inch display, letting you run virtually any app you want. Meanwhile, the high-resolution 6.9-inch inner POLED display provides plenty of real estate for typical smartphone tasks. The Razr Plus also sports an IPX8 rating, which means you can submerge it in water up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes. If you want complete control over your foldable phone experience and to possibly even reduce your screen time, the Moto Razr Plus intuitively helps you take advantage of its two screens. New Moto AI-powered camera system. Effortlessly capture photos and videos with the 50-megapixel camera system featuring a 2x telephoto lens powered by Moto AI. Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 performance. Boost your capabilities with powerful AI engine processing, giving you speeds up to 3 GHz for improved efficiency. Number 3. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open splits the size difference between the short and wide Pixel and the tall and narrow Z Fold 5, as well as manages to be lighter than both. The outer 6.3-inch display is large, but the inner 7.8-inch panel is massive. The latter is the biggest we've tested in this category. OnePlus also enhanced its software for multitasking, giving the Open a sleek home screen that impresses. Meanwhile, pairing a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and 16 GB of RAM with 256 GB or 512 GB of storage makes the device competitive on benchmarks. If you want the biggest screen you can squeeze into your pocket for a bit less than Google or Samsung's foldables, the OnePlus Open currently leads the pack. Take multitasking to the next level with Open Canvas, which allows instant app switching and drag-and-drop functionality across apps. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 folds without a gap and lets you access quick bits of information, widgets, and key notifications right from its outer screen. And when you do open it, the internal 6.7-inch screen provides a full Samsung Galaxy experience. The phone has plenty of power thanks to its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 12 GB of RAM. It also offers 256 GB of storage by default, which is plenty for most people, and AI-assisted photo editing features. If you want a big Android phone in a tiny package, this device should appeal to you. It's also great for taking creative selfies because the folding screen works as a tripod of sorts. Capture social content in a fun new way with camcorder mode. When held in flex mode, Galaxy Z Flip 6 lets you easily control the cam with one hand and use smooth zoom control to record moments as they happen. Number 5. Motorola Razr 2024. The Moto Razr packs an enormous 6.9-inch display into a compact package. Its 3.6-inch outer screen lets you run full apps and easily frame selfies with the 50-megapixel camera. Although this device uses a MediaTek Dimensity 7300X chip to keep the cost down, it still performs adequately. Last but not least, The 4200 milliamp hour battery provides over 16 hours of battery life on a single charge.